could always go forward.
It's actually a very nice wholesome Sunday without a hangover for once, so that's fun. The Centre Parks vibe.
We're at the badminton centre. Yes now. Litty motive.
Centre Parks beach, baby. Doesn't get much better than this, does it?
You want to see a real hand beige, Jan?
We're at Herne Bay. What'd
you get there?
Yeah, I want
Like girlhood.
Oh, she's vlogging. We're vlogging today.
Staying at friends' houses, I have enough. And beer, sick and fucking ice skating. Howie, I'm gonna stick my chopper in the freezer. She gonna do fucking pirouettes on it.
In the warm.
Hiya! Hi!
I just want to be in the warm.
I just want to be in the video. That on the hill of Ali Pali and Mr. Anthony.
That's going in the vlog. Anthony. Hey, bitch.
Shout out
Was it not?
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm trying to teach Grace how to play football. It's not very gracious. Touch you.
What?
Touch you. She can play. God.
That's what you get.
in Liverpool at Big Weekend. Grace has just slayed my fucking hair. And now I'm gonna go slay the stage!
Let's all have a little get together in the wooden office.
A drink, and the view is unreal. That was better. That was. We're pork tasting.
Oh, sweet. Oh, very kitty
You ran off?
Yeah, no, just you. Ruby's not having one. Here she is. Hey.
That's all I'm speaking.
I'll have a bit of water.
Why'd you do that?
Touchdown the biz.
Oi.
Come on, kid.
Come on, kid. Mummies in Ibiza.
Mummies in Ibiza. Oh, give that baby wings and drink a Red Bull.
You come up with the most shit. The weirdest shit ever.
Smooth Flora. You used to make me go like this.
Hey, hit it.
And then,
Hey, yeah.
Still done that?